my dear friends, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Once again, I'm back with a new video. I hope that you will enjoy it very much. So without wasting time, let's go. Here I am once again with another video for the students of CBSE Class 11. The name of the lesson is Landscape of the Soul, written by Nathalie Toubroy. Like every time, now also, today also, I'm going to talk something about the author, very short, and then I'll jump into the lesson. Students, dear friends, I will be dealing with these lessons in two videos. First part, I'll be talking about the difference between the Chinese art, Asian art, and the European art. And in the second part of the video that will be coming next in another video, there I'll be talking about outsiders art, right? So it's wonderful to be with you once again. So here we go with the author. The author, Nathalie Toubroy, is an art expert from Belgium. She is the wife of Belgian ambassador. Nathalie is also an archaeologist and historian from the University of Belgium. Okay, so this lesson is divided into two parts. One part is dealing, as I have already told you, with the art form that is Asian art and the European art, and there is another part of this lesson that is outsiders art, which I will talk about in the next lesson. Now, what's about dealing with the first part, right? So let's begin here. This lesson here in the Landscape of the Soul, Nathalie illustrates the difference by giving anecdotes from China and Flanders. Flanders is a province in Belgium. According to the first Chinese anecdote, the Tang Emperor commissioned Wu Daozi to decorate the palace wall. Okay? After it was completed, the emperor admired the art. The 8th century artist Wu Daozi drew the emperor's attention towards a cave drawn at the foot of the mountain in the picture. Daozi clapped his hand and the entrance of the cave, that was at the bottom of the foot of the mountain, the entrance of the cave opened. Daozi wanted to show his majesty a way. However, before the emperor could move, the entrance of the cave closed and the painting disappeared. Okay, this is the first of the two Chinese anecdotes, right? In another Chinese anecdote, the painter would not draw the eye of a dragon he had painted because he feared that it would fly out of the painting. This is the second anecdote. After this, the author gives us the story of Western art. Okay, the concept of Western art, right? She takes us to Antwerp, Antwerp, okay, Antwerp, the most populous province of Flanders and Belgium. The master blacksmith Quentin Metsys falls in love with the daughter of a painter. Just to be accepted as a son-in-law of the painter, Quentin Metsys painted a fly on the panel of the painter. When the painter tried to swat means to hit it away, he realized that it was a painting of a fly. Quentin was accepted as an apprentice immediately into his studio because he was such a great artist. Soon after this, Quentin Metsys married his beloved, the daughter of the painter. These stories from East and West reveal that European artists try to achieve a perfect illusionist likeness. On the other hand, the Asian artists know the way within, and the artist tries to reach spiritual essence beyond any materialistic world. That is the goal of the Asian artist. The Chinese landscape does not reproduce an actual view. One can enter it from any point and travel in it. On the other hand, the Western painting is a figurative painting. The European painter wants us to borrow the eyes of the painter and look at it exactly as the painter has seen it. The Chinese painting requires active participation of the viewers, both physically and mentally. He wants the viewer to enter his mind. The viewer, that means the man, becomes a conduit of communication. Conduit means channel of communication between both poles of the universe. Right? Now we come to the concept of Shan Shui. Okay, this is a very important concept of Chinese art. Shan Shui, look at the spelling, S-H-A-N-S-H-U-I, Shan Shui refers to the traditional Chinese painting. Shan Shui means mountain water. Mountain, rivers and often waterfalls are prominent in this art form. According to this concept of art, mountain stands for yang, Y-A-N-G, yang, rising vertically towards heaven. It is stable, warm, dry in the sun and masculine. On the other hand, water is yin, Y-I-N, in. It is horizontal and rising on the earth, fluid, moist and cool. Mountain water together represents landscape. Mountain water together represents landscape. Their interaction is the basic idea of Taoism. There is also a third element, the middle, void, where their interaction takes place. That is very important, right? So mountain water together represents landscape. Their interaction is the basic idea of Taoism. There is also a third element, the middle, that is void, where their interaction takes place. This is the concept of Taoism or Shan Shui, right? I hope that you have understood this concept of Shan Shui, that is Taoism also you can say. And we have talked about the Asian art and the Western art. In case of Asian art, Nathalie has given 2 anecdotes from Chinese art. On the other hand, the Western art, that is very realistic form of art, there we have seen the story of Quentin Metz. That's all, my dear friends. Today we will stop it here. I will be taking another time to make another video for the next part of this lesson, that is Outsider's Art. I hope that you will watch that video. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you understood. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. Thanks for your appreciation and likes. Please do share and subscribe for this video. I hope that I'll be back very soon with another video. Till then, bye for now. Have a very good day.